Hey guys, this is Vineet Pandey, and we are going to have a special class today. Today, we are going to deal with some terms which are very important for your exam. There are so many questions which are going to be asked in exam. कुछ ऐसे questions हैं जो last time exam में आए थे और students को परेशान किया था. तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं कुछ ऐसे terms की जिनके बारे में students को ज़्यादा idea नहीं होता. सबसे पहले we'll start with Braj Kachru. How many of you know that Braj Kachru has divided English in three circles? Braj Kachru के तीन circles of English, three circles of इंग्लिश. पेपर में कई बार क्वेश्चन आ चुका है और स्टूडेंट्स पूछते हैं कि ये टॉपिक कहां से आता है. दिस इज एक्चुअली कनेक्टेड टू इंग्लिश स्टडीज इन इंडिया एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ इंग्लिश इन वर्ल्ड. ब्रज कचरू, थ्री सर्कल्स ऑफ इंग्लिश सबसे पहला टॉपिक है हमारा. हम इसमें बात करने जा रहे हैं. देखिए, फर्स्ट सर्कल इज इनर सर्कल. फर्स्ट सर्कल क्या है? इनर सर्कल. सेकेंड सर्कल जो है वो है आउटर सर्कल. और जो थर्ड सर्कल है उसे कहते हैं एक्सपेंडिंग सर्कल. नोट करते जाइएगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो नोट इट डाउन. आई टॉट दीज थिंग्स टुडे इन माय ऑफलाइन बैच, सो आई एम आल्सो टीचिंग द सेम थिंग टू यू. इनर सर्कल, आउटर सर्कल एंड एक्सपेंडिंग सर्कल. नाउ व्हाट इज इनर सर्कल? इन इनर सर्कल, English language is language 1. Means English is native language. English belongs to these places. For example, England. English started in England. If you remember English, the first ever English book in 1388, Canterbury Tales. English replaced French in school syllabus in 1386. English became the language of parliament and court 1362, 1363. Then English was actually developed by Geoffrey Chaucer. England has first language English. USA, America's first language is also English. Then if you go for Australia and New Zealand, primarily the English settlers settled their colonies. So Australia and New Zealand also has the first language which is English. Now, this is the inner circle because English is here native language. English is mother language. Then comes the another thing. The another point is outer circle. As you can see, the another one we have is outer circle of English. What is outer circle? The areas covered by English language, where English is not the first language but second language, L2, where English is L2, like India. India has Hindi, Tamil, Malayali and many other languages. So in India, English is second language. In Asia, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Africa and all other colonies of England. So when they say that name the countries which are added in outer circle countries are Commonwealth countries, means the countries once enslaved by Britain, where English is not the first language but definitely the second language. We have first language Hindi, second language English. Now comes the third point. The third point is expanding circle. Expanding circle, where English is just a language. Expanding circle means where English is neither L1 not L2. English is just a language and there is no cultural connection of English, no colonization. These countries have their own languages and they don't give damn about English. इन्हें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता इंग्लिश क्या है क्या नहीं है. China, Russia, all other top level developed countries, Japan, China, Russia, Japan, France, or any other strong country where they have their own language plus they were never ever dominated by English. These are three important circles of Braj Kachru. If you like the video, subscribe it. In my next video, we are going to talk about Stephen Krashen's language acquisition hypothesis. Language acquisition hypothesis. If you know about this topic, then join to get new knowledge. If you have never heard about this topic, then watch that to learn these things. Stephen Krashen's language acquisition hypothesis. 5 types of hypothesis: input, outer, plus monitor hypothesis, learning hypothesis, and some others I will be dealing in my next lecture. Till then, there is a request. This is an educational channel. Subscribe for knowledge. Thank you so much.